Just because you're renting doesn't mean you have to live with that white-walled, cookie-cutter apartment or rental home. We have 8 ways to upgrade your apartment and make it comfortable. Let us show you how, with your landlord's permission, of course. We don't want nobody getting evicted, okay?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to PS Home. My name is Ashley and this is Danielle. On this channel we share interior design and organization tips, tricks, and hacks so that you, my friend, can love where you live, one room at a time. If that's something that you are interested in, please consider subscribing.
Okay, so we want to talk about kitchen faucet and shower heads. This is probably the easiest way to perk up a boring kitchen or even a bathroom. Pick out a new faucet for the sink that's a true statement piece and instantly knock your kitchen style up a few notches. Replacing your standard issue shower head with a new one has a twofold benefit. First, your new hardware will look and feel better. And if you buy something low flow, it will use less water overall. Win-win.
Another thing that you can add to your apartment is peel and stick backsplash. Peel and stick backsplashes are ideal for people who don't want to or can't install permanent tile inside of their spaces. They require no holes, so they are a great option for apartments and condos where they restrict you from making, major renovations and stuff like that. They come in a variety of materials, but the most common ones are made from vinyl. You can also get those that are made from glass, stone, and or metal, guys. You won't need any special cutting materials since they are pretty thin, so you should be able to cut them with a good pair of scissors.
Yeah, so if you choose real materials like glass or stone backsplashes, you won't have to be concerned about fading or becoming discolored if they are near a cooktop, and they tend to look better than the vinyl option. Use command hooks to hang window coverings, right? I know. You limit the amount of holes in your walls. I mean, we're already gonna hang pictures, right? You might have some really nice decorative wall art or piece that you wanna put up. Who really feels like putting spackle in all of the holes where your curtains are? You already got to deep clean the walls, make sure your oven is all cleaned out, the stove top is clean, make sure the baseboards are spick and span. I just feel like when you're moving out, nobody really wants to spend time filling in all the little holes on the wall.
Right.
You
want them security deposit back. We want the money.
You want your money back,
want the
right?
money back.
That's the whole goal. Help your future self out and just do away with all the extra holes. Get the command hooks.
So another thing you guys can do is change the handles and the drawer pulls in your spaces. So you've moved into this new apartment and you've noticed that it has no handles on the cabinets and drawers.
Every single time, I don't
Before
understand.
it drives you crazy, try these. No drill cabinet knobs. Removal is super easy. Just heat it up with a hairdryer for a few minutes and it comes off quickly and easily.
You are right, Ashley. Adding or changing hardware is an easy but drastic change that can be made around the home. In the kitchen, bath, and anywhere else you may have outdated hardware or no hardware in your home. This can change the overall look to the cabinets you have in the space, but don't drill new holes.
Please.
Y'all, please don't. Keep it the same as what you already have in terms of knobs or pulls. This is a great way to make the space unique and your own.
Wow.
Plus, you can bring them with you when you leave and incorporate them into your next home. How freaking cool, man.
I love it.
Another thing we suggest is to use vertical space. Come up with a purpose for your vertical space. Whether it's going to be an organized storage space, collage wall, or a place to hang framed artwork.
Another thing that we recommend changing, guys, is your light fixtures. This is a cute and easy way to fix and change the look of a room in a very subtle way, though. You can change the look of your space to modern or traditional using lampshades. It's also a more cost-effective way to incorporate decor instead of replacing the entire lamp.
Yeah, that is so true. Swapping out your light fixtures are amazing for giving your apartment an entirely new look. A lot of rental light fixtures can be standard and boring. While it requires some technical skill, make sure you know how to safely do this. Light fixtures are relatively easy to swap in and out.
I agree.
Okay, so something else you can try is paintable wallpaper.
Wow.
Sure, you can ask your landlord or leasing office if it's okay for you to paint the walls the color of your choice and then offer to paint it back, but who wants to have to paint it back when you leave? Paintable wallpaper is an excellent solution to many common design problems like indecisiveness or being in a rental. Paintable wallpaper is thick, making it ideal for paint. It's perfect for small spaces like bathrooms and other areas you'd like to add texture and pattern without overwhelming the space and making it feel cramped.
You usually aren't able to just rip up your old rental apartment flooring. You can customize your floors by adding rugs or removable floor tiles.
Yes.
Yes, you heard me right. It is self-adhering for easy application to almost any clean surface. It's also designed to be removed when you move out or if you change your mind and want to go for another look.
Yeah, if you have an old carpet in your rental, I've had quite a few, adding a large area rug can easily freshen up the room and hide any unwanted imperfections. Rugs are easy to switch out so you can change up the look of your rental anytime. Removable floor towels are also a great way to add some personality to your home and cover up older tile floors.
If you're moving into a rental, I always recommend taking a video of the entire apartment before you move in, including floor scratches or holes in the walls. That way you can show the apartment in the original condition when you move out. Click the other videos for more helpful tips.